You can live with.
Alright guys, so in today's video, we're gonna be in Animal Cafe with my brother and we're gonna be checking out the new update. They said to go to Lake and it's freaking sick, bro. Wait, it's awesome sauce. So
Remember Bobby, remember Bobby, remember Bobby.
if you guys were an OG, you guys know Bobby.
You can. There's a new bundle.
Oh, there is. Alright, let's go. Let me see.
Hold up. If they remove Creative Studios, it'll be 100% OG.
Oh
my. See, the shadings got cooked in here.
Oh yeah, the shading's
Stage
cooked.
5.
Ah, nah, I'm out of here. It looks like they added a... I don't know how to pronounce that.
They're eagles.
They are not eagles. They are...
Necromancer bundle? So they're crows.
Yeah, they're crows.
Necro. You get it? That's a real knee slapper.
Shut up.
Alright, in Lake, there's something very special.
Yeah, we haven't
Okay.
checked it out yet, but...
Wait, is the safe zone end at... No, it doesn't.
Come
end
on,
at
let's
stage
go,
anymore.
bro. We have to show them.
So,
For any people that don't have a VR, look how sick this is. Don't tell me this ain't sick. There's a very realistic fire.
Alright, I'm launching.
No, don't launch yet.
Alright, come in. We're exploring this for the first time. 3,
2, 1. Oh no. Ah! Yo, what is this? Yo, what? Yo, what is this? Yo.
Yeah, okay, so we're in the multiverse. Oh my god, look! Oh,
Help me.
Nash, I'm getting sucked in by a black hole.
Oh, bye.
You see that?
Bye, soldier. I see you little dot right there. Oh, Earth! I swear. Oh, yo. Yo, we're freaking in the multiverse. This is sick. Yo, Animal Company, you might became more peak than I thought. It will chill. It will chill. Yeah, you're not wrong. By the way, guys, if you're wondering what am I doing, because you guys might think I'm in denial, but my brother said this is more peak than getting Gorilla Tag, and it is. What the frick? Vehicle? Spake? What? Space bike? What? There's vehicles here. There's vehicles here. Yo. There's freaking vehicles. Bro, there's vehicles. I'm gonna get this. Space bike. Alright, where's my space bike? I'll just... What? Oh, I have my space bike! This is sick! No, you can get at the ship. Why would you go to Earth? I'm floating around, bro. Sick. This is so sick. There's the black hole. I'm gonna explore around this place, man. Yeah. What's your life first? Hey. This is sick, dude. I don't know if we can go to the map. Yo, let me out. I'm gonna try and go to Earth. Dude, I just got launched. There's the black hole. I might check it out later. This is putting arm. How do you go back to Earth? Dude, I'm swimming down to Earth. Wait. Yeah, let's kill it. Yo, what? That Gilo just sounded like glass. Bro. Oh yeah. Holy tough. They have no clue what you're saying right now, bro. You should say in the mic. I see the black hole, I'm going down. Wait, no, I'm... Oh, it is. I'm swimming... Oh! I don't like that. No, I'm sorry! I'm in the atmosphere. Wait, what the flip? Huh?
Okay,
Yeah.
Karen.
No, this is vehicles. I usually spawn this in. This is what I was using.
So we have a cell machine in here. So I'm guessing this is gonna be the new lobby?
Maybe. Wait, what's this one? Yo, you should get a vehicle. It's fast like heck. Let me turn. Help me! I need help.
I got you.
No, don't do anything. I'm going out! Yeah. I'm gonna go to this ball thing over here. What does this look like? Yo, I found a button. Maybe this can bring us back home. Maybe this can bring us back home. This ball thing. This could probably bring us back home.
I'm going to this nuclear.
I think I made a...
Press the button.
It's not working.
Yeah.
Here, how about you press the button?
I'm going inside it. Ah, take me inside.
Oh, it's the sun! Is this meant to be?
How do I back this thing up?
I don't know how.
Oh, I'm doing it.
Oh, I'm doing it too.
I know how to drive.
Wee! I don't think you can go in there. Press the button! Where's the button at again? Where's the button? I forgot. Where's the button? Oh, I found another black hole. I'm gonna drive right into it. Yeah. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Going, boy. Ah! Oh yeah, it just spawns you back. Oh, I found a way to get back home. Yeah. Die. Yeah. Die. Die. What's this? Status mumble? Ooh. What's this? Oh, I got a shield. I got a shield. I got a shield. Look at what I got. I'm going back home. Please send me back home. Oh, it did. Yay. I brought a shield back into the overworld. Sonic expand the pockets. I'm gonna go up here, here, and there. So, if my calculations are correct, because they always are, not smart by the way. Anyways, if I go up here, then come over here, my calculations is that this... No, I fell! Guys, that's a work in progress, okay? So for right here, we need to jump up there. Ah. Is this it? Is it? I'm trying to find it. Right here. Oh, so I was going in the right direction. I need help with something. Can you help me? No? Okay. Alright, then I'll come up here. Which my calculations should be correct, which they always aren't. But that's okay. Oh, of course. Alright, this should be it. It should say I only have 2 left, but it's not saying that. Show me. Or interesting. Alright. I need to. Oh. I have no clue what double jump is, so that could be bad, and that could be good. That could be bad. Oh, I think this is where double jump is. Yep, found it. Found double jump. Now I just need to fly. Now I just need to mine fields. That could be a pain. We pretty much checked out the whole update. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me get my tie, even though I don't have one. Anyways, this is where the video ends, because we're not gonna do anything else with this update. Yeah, what's up? They brought back. Okay. Anyways, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. Anyways, if you guys don't, you see me under your bed tonight. Bye.